Good day everybody, today we got this SANTAFE 2009. It's a good car, it's in a good condition. Let's take a look and show you everything. Then you can decide by yourself. So far, the body looks good. No rust here. Very clean. There's some rust over here. Let's check out the doors. First door here is very clean. And this side too. The back side door, a little bit of rust here, just a little bit. Passenger side door, no rust, not rusty. And the back side here is not rusty as well. Check the trunk. Trunk works just fine. Simple space. Edges are clean. No rust, no cuttings, no accidents. Now let's jump to the engine. Here I opened the engine room, but the jacks here are broken, so I have to carry it like that. You have to catch it from here, otherwise it will fall down. Those are broken, but not a big deal as long as the engine is fine. If you can hear the engine, sounds good. No problems at all. Engine okay. Now this one, yep, this one is broken, the jacks. Now we are inside the car. Let's check it out. Start the engine. Lights are on. Let's start now. Okay, lights are gone. RPMs are up. Let's try to accelerate. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Okay, from this bottom here. So as you can hear, the sound of the engine is very normal. The RPMs go up very smoothly, no problem at all. Let's check the other functions here in the car. Let's start with the audio.
우리 정경이 아주 어렸을 때부터 코너가 있었어요. 자, 성대가 지금부터 청취자분께 인사 좀 해주시죠. 2021년 2월 10일 날.
Perfect, the radio and audio works perfectly, that's fine. Let's try the AC control. Okay, AC is on, fans are on. And see here, air is coming out very smoothly, very cold. Oh, it's really cold. Change the mood here. Perfect. It works perfectly. Auto transmission first. You can control the audio from here and calls. It's for the windows. Perfect. You can control all of the windows from here. This one for the mirrors. Awesome. Show you other stuff from inside here. Seats are very clean. Very good condition. Feeling. The car is really clean and very good. Thanks for watching.
Esta es Busyman.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. Busyman.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398.
This is the end of the review of this Santa Fe 2009. As you have watched in the video, everything looks fine. The engine sounds very good. The car functions really good, no problems at all. Just the problem is that the hood, you can't just keep it up. You have it goes down by itself, but that can be fixed very easily. Other than that, everything is good. So if you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.